Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can share a story on Instagram without you being tagged. Alright, so let's say one of your friend uploaded a Instagram story. So for an example, my friend Vichy Kevin uploaded a story. I'm not tagged in it, and let's say I want to post it on my Instagram story. Still, there is a way through which you guys can do it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So if somebody has not tagged you in Instagram, story of there, you cannot post it on yours. As you guys can see over here, I can click on the arrow and there's no story option. I can click on the three dot, there's no story option. So in that case, how am I gonna repost it? What I need to do is take a screenshot of his story. Once I take the screenshot, I'm gonna crop it. So I'm gonna crop the top part so nobody can see his name, and I can crop the down part as well like this. But if you want to show his name, you can uncrop the top part. Alright, depends if you want to show or not. And click on done at the top left corner. Click on save to photo. Now after you screenshot and crop the photo, what you need to do is go on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen, click on the plus icon at the top of your screen, and click on versus story. And on story, choose the picture which you just screenshotted over here. Once you click on it, as you guys can see, it's gonna come over here like this. Now you can click on the little arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you can even zoom into the picture if you want to. You can even zoom out. All right, so it depends on like how much you want. So let's say I don't want to see his name, so I'm gonna zoom a bit, so like his name is not being displayed. So I'm gonna click on the arrow at the bottom, click on share, click on done. Now it's gonna be uploaded on my story, so it should have uploaded by now, as you guys can see like this. Now it looks like it's my story. Even though he hasn't tagged me, I uploaded it. So yeah, this is the only way. And if it is a video, then you need to screen record his video. After screen recording it, you need to crop his name if you want to. If you don't want to crop his name, you can just screen record it and post it on Instagram story. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can share a story on Instagram without being tagged. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.